All right, so I have an Acer Swift 3 laptop, and one of the issues that I have with this laptop is I had Windows installed on it, and I'm like, I don't want to have Windows anymore, I want to switch to Linux. So I installed Linux on it, but then the Wi-Fi quit working. I couldn't get the Wi-Fi to work at all. It wouldn't come up with any Wi-Fi networks. I couldn't pick anything. Go on to ChatGPT and I'm like, hey, can you show me how to fix this problem? And it tells me to do a whole bunch of different things. And then when sorry about that, when I see IP link, it won't show my WLAN internal Wi-Fi card, which is what this card has. And I went back and forth with ChatGPT trying to fix this problem. But it turns out that the reason that the Wi-Fi card wouldn't show up on this laptop on Linux is because I had Windows installed also. So I was trying to dual boot Windows and Linux at the same time. And so when I would shut down Windows would lock up that Wi-Fi card, and when I would boot into Linux, it would say, hey, the Wi-Fi card's not available, or I can see the hardware, but I can't load the driver, or something like that. But anyways, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix this. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to shut down the computer if you're dual booting between Linux and Windows. If you're not dual booting, then this video is probably not for you. But if you are dual booting between Windows and Linux, then you need to shut down the Linux machine and boot into Windows. And I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so we've successfully booted back into Windows, and I got all these programs that are coming up. So the reason that the Wi-Fi card is locked up is because Windows has a feature that's called, I think it's called Fast Boot. And when you have Fast Boot enabled, it basically locks up that Wi-Fi card whenever you shut down the machine. And I'm gonna show you how to disable Fast Boot. So you're gonna come into Start, you're gonna go into the control panel right here. Once you've got the control panel open, you're gonna click on System and Security. The next button that you're going to press is right here. It's change what the power buttons do. After that, you're gonna have these options right here. Now you notice that I have disabled all of them. Now, when you go to try and disable them, they're probably going to be grayed out, and that's because you need to press this security button right here. So click this, and then it should make these options available to you. Now, what I did the first time is I just unchecked them and then closed the window, restarted, and it didn't work. And the reason for that is because there's actually a Save Changes button right here in the control panel. So you have to uncheck them, press Save Changes, and then go to Start Again, and you want to actually shut down the machine. You don't press restart, you press shut down, and that will have the dual, the fast boot disabled. And then when you boot into Linux, that Wi-Fi card should just start working, because the Wi-Fi card, it is totally supported in Linux. It was just locked up by Windows. And that's how I got this problem fixed. Hope it helps.